how to add a main menu header on Wix website. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a main menu in your header on Wix website. So let's get started. First of all, you will log into your wix.com. Once you sign in, you will select the website you want to work on. Once you have selected the website, you will open up the editor, and this is where you will get. In our editor, you will be able to see we have different pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take you to our main page. In here, you actually have to first select what is your main menu. So we have this site menu right here, or I can call this one my main menu. How to add a menu to your header. Click on these three dots and you will be able to find a lot of different options. We have settings, SEO, and copy, hide, page background. Okay, so this is actually all customized. Okay, it's good. We can now go to the design section on our Wix website. You're going to select the header. Once you do, then you're going to click on these three dots, change header design, quick edit, header scroll. So I'm going to click on quick edit. And now we will be able to add any menu we want to from our different menus that we have created in the pages section. You can add any menu. You can see manage menu. Click on it and select the main menu of your website to add right here in your header. This is how you will be able to add your main menu in your site header. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.